Asante Kotoko supporters after the match day 7 of Barbara Sports Stadium, Mamafa coach Ogum Chenokra, a Japan, and Wasem Waha. They didn't almost today, and near Potty, Tinana Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters no were very much angry at Coach Protwa Ogum. The reason why India they brought on Super 24 TV. Bechem United head coach, your friend, Bismarck Kobe Mensah, after the game, or the Sema Tuja. Concerning results, no. Now, Ochrim said he was denied the 3 points. One in the Adrian, and in the Adrian, and was some crowd higher, bro. The African Football League, no, Air Koso. I do the semi-final stage, first round of games, no, Akoso. The next leg, no, Air Basso, and was some kakra, bro. Ghana Premier League, no, they say, Etekishipu. After the match day 7. When ended at the summit of the Ghana Premier League, Obi anwenda say insuatreman ebekwa first after the match day 7. But the Ghana Premier League no it is early days yet, but after the 10th games no and I beat me as I see the clubs ni, but 7 to 10 and you're far wide with 9 points at grabs. Say no, ubetimi ashase ayewo estimations near there because 7 games there enough to place judgment. Of course, ubetimi a place judgment 7 games and small games. It is a team no unyanya already me here. I was say mutimi adwen hu biom na ohyehyɛ nyoma Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye my 10 games yenhwe ne yemfa nhyehyɛ nyoma. After 7 games, what is your opinion about the Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no? Ye de ho nsɛm kakra bro. Ibrahim Sani Dara de Simbia Tuja or Chimu said Ghana after the exit of Baby Jetta Samuel no ye nya striker bi or Ghana animu or bagging in goals no for Ghana and no has been lacking for the years as Samuel a free Ghana Black Star team. Now a player being all tip and say obetimi abe the potential direct replacement for Ghana Black Stars. Sene be ya Ghana ebenya atiesi ni dadem na etimi ashe goals wano even though say Samuel breso no still na Ghana entimi ende the 40 plus trophy drought. Over 40 years ni Ghana yenje cup asem no eden in about 2 months time or 3 months time the AFCON eba koso ewo Cote d'Ivoire ebe sa ye players e wo hui ye betimi e de akoye bibia nra Kotoko ena Bechem United game no medical kasasem we actually say Kotoko team no there are certain players individual brilliance no ho sa omuye omuho no omuye adwuma kakra bia e likely say Ghana Black Stars team ebeko Cote d'Ivoire AFCON no Kotoko player betimi appeal yes and player ba kwa yina ye hwete the development the betimi akoye for him here no routine yeah Kotoko center back no the ball now all ball no enyanwa say Black Stars obetimi appeal because we have Black Stars players are more now they are not too exceptionally different from and as better than Nuruddin Boa or the Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ebo. Now, the stories no ever bro with how much I do. Now, the reason why I say Kotoko supporters not move fire Ogum no ewaha but they bro. But before that, Ghana Premier League fixtures March the 7 no ebewie you know. League table no say it here. But before that, my results no quickly. Friday no before quarter no Accra Lions game no and day 1-1 and baby any Gold Stars Saturday games no so or shase or also any house of football 1-1 so before quarter no or no ball draw with Accra Lions and baby any Gold Stars and so ball 1-1 with house of football sa game no apia makati ni twa first goal and Hamza Isa ete kanama Accra house of football and Thursday Saturday na nkasa Great Olympics share Nations FC Nations is a situation na yehu Nations situation na yehu papa nti Nations are drop it down pa see only has to book in our relegation zone asem na den then Sundays fixtures no Ratamale United and a game no and so echo so now obviously Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Bechem United and also Ende 1-1 ewo Babayara Sports Stadium. Adriana Esheye into a movie Adriana to the top 4 of the Ghana Premier League. Adriana Esheye. Now, to say Ghana Premier League, no, say na a friend is saying table no SCIA first on the league log no in Suatreman with 13 points. In Suatreman with 13 points. And Medriana FC on also 12 points. In Suatreman or that first with 13 points. Nientian also over one outstanding game. In Suatreman first 13 points. Second, Adriana 12 points. Third, Macra Great Olympics 12 points. Fourth position, Bofokotano with 11 points. Fifth position, Legon Cities, also 11 points. And sixth position, yet FC Samates, also 10 points. And seventh position, Asante Kotoko, a movie with 10 points. Still now, the seventh position with 10 points. Mediama SC, and so 10 points, about 6 games. Yes, Rotamale United. Also at the 7th or the 9th position are also our 10 points. And our 10th position, no, Rotamale United, the 9th position, were 10 points. BBN Gold Stars, and so Ekra, 9 points, or the 10th position. 11 positions, no, Dreams FC with 8 points. And 12th position, Bechem United will move out of relegation zone. And also Ekra. 8 points. 13th position, Karela United was 7 points. And 14th position, Bechem Chelsea, and also was 7 points. 15th position, Heart of Lions, on 6 points. 16th position, relegation zone, Accra House of Folk, and also Accra 6 points. And 17th position, Accra Lions, 6 points. And 18th position, you chat to Accra, Nations FC, on Accra 5 points. It looks very bad for Nations FC. Also, Moki Kaum. Manyan says, "Why has some more board ebeba Nations?" But it is early days yet. Now, you have that first 10 league games. No, any beats me, edit me. And not Kotoko poor game. No, Kotoko supporters. No, Echo store me bass. No, and now more can't say. Or more fire players, especially the flanks. Because flanks are the right backs, the lateral defenders, Augustine in Japan. Nana Benina, Nicolas Osebun's in the board the other side. Now, supporters need to say, Ogum, enjoy players now, or only players that will use you on the Sassimu, and none of the supporters no, and say, Ogum, AUC, on only players. Players no money no more Kotoko for. Into what's the point? I won't say Ogum Eyusu Kotoko on only players. Ayena obo inti menu Newton can answer. Yenina observation, you know. But the fact say they be our use inti menu ne Mikey Chedra manano. And say sa players too no so nya Kotoko players. Kotoko supporters at this point I see nya abutere. Yenya butre. Enya satem bia na we emphatic no enko ba bia. So enra eja kakra Ogum ensa kan ye no. Your point na supporters na ni abre pa omo fire no real hard. Omo fire no. But Ogum press conference away no gitum say enra abra Augustine Okra eteka no. And no affect Kotoko players no psychologically. And the man second half no Bechem United dominated the rest of the games. Into Bekai Krana Augustino Krasashe another goal. But it was ruled off. It was ruled off. Say a new goal. Linesman say offside. Referee no so say a bonensa. Utu na ko pomi enti ase. So Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters yes sire yenya abotre. Wo de ye ne after the first 10 games. Your next game nyame adoma Thursday ye ni nsuatreman. E ko away. We hope to have a positive results out of that. but yenya abotre nsuatere man on the league no soro anything can happen the ebesi bia no let's psych our mind otumfo nyankopon eme yenti ase African Football League no omedu semi final yes na Sundowns ehye El Ali 1 ena Wydad Casablanca WAC ono so share Esperance 1-0 Wednesday return legs no ebeba so na yehu omo be progress to the final Wednesday na no beba so Sani Dara atout Edinketia of Arsenal say obey the next Asamoah Ghana like the next Asamoah right now you ni obi a no born about is Asamoah and na oche mu say Edinketia obon Arsenal Ghana nye bibia ni nya no enye sade a ye affront or ye bebre nsema former GFA communication director Sani Dara e dey ato edwa no nsem ewofi and the reactions no bebre beba esi ya de bebre on Super 24 TV but also subscribe ya no subscribe be do see a chia bebre me call